Need more resources? I'll show you how to get this mod to your device. First, I'll check the game. Take a look at my resources now. I have almost nothing. Okay, let's begin. Go to website that I'm showing now. You can find here free tweaked apps. Find app that you need. It works on Android and iOS devices. And no root or jailbreak is required. Click the Start Injection button. The whole process should take about a minute. Proceed to final step. Download 2 apps to complete whole process. Now I'll do this. In this case, I'll install and run this app for 30 seconds. It's very easy, but you must remember to follow the instructions from each offer. Now I'll select second offer. And as you can see, I'm using this app for even more than 30 seconds, just to be sure. Okay, your tweaked app is ready. Let's check it now. Congrats! Now you can see your resources growing up. So that works great. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more.